Lamine Yamal to wear Barcelona's iconic number 10 jersey next season. Lamine Yamal will switch to the number 10 jersey at Barcelona, the same number Diego Maradona, Ronaldinho and Lionel Messi wore for the Catalan club. I will try to build my own path, but all kids would like to be like them, Yamal said Wednesday at the club's announcement. All three have been incredible players. They are legends, and I will try to follow in their footsteps. Having turned 18, Yamal was able to sign the contract extension that he had agreed with Barcelona in May, keeping him in place until 2031. My goal is to keep winning and growing, Yamal said. It's the club of my life. It's my home. I have been here since I was 7 years old. Yamal wore the number 19 jersey last season. The number 10 most recently was with Ansu Fati, who will play on loan with Monaco. Yamal, accompanied by his family, received the number 10 jersey from club president Joan Laporta. Thank you very much. If you want to get any sports news, please hit the subscribe button and please hit the like button for next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.